Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to our exploration of two intertwined narratives that shape the course of 18th century India: the transformative Shah Waliullah movement and the formidable challenges faced by the Mughal Empire. In this journey, we will explore the intellectual, spiritual, and political landscape of the era, exploring the enduring legacies of Shah Waliullah and complexities of Mughal Empire. The Wali Allahi Movement emerged as a powerful force driven by commitment to Islamic revivalism, Sufi teachings, and social reforms. Spearheaded by Shah Waliullah Dehlvi and continued by his successors, this movement left an indelible mark on the religious and cultural life in India. So let's uncover the key elements and profound impact of this movement. At the core of the movement was the propagation of Shah Waliullah's teaching by his sons and grandson, who became influential scholars and spiritual leaders in their own right. They actively disseminated his ideas, ensuring the continuation of his mission. The movement's strong Sufi orientation emphasized the spiritual practices, mystical experiences, and a direct connection with the divine, instilling a deep sense of piety and devotions amongst its adherents. Intellectually and educationally, the movement made significant contribution to the Islamic scholarship. Shah Waliullah's descendants established madrasas and educational institutions that became hubs for learning and the promotion of his ideas. Despite this spiritual focus, the movement wasn't detached from the political realities. Leaders like Shah Abd al Aziz engaged with the political challenges, advocating for improved governance and addressing external threats through Shah Waliullah's leader. Shah Waliullah movement's impact extended beyond religious and educational spheres, influenced the cultural and social fabric of the region. It shaped religious practices and norms within the Muslim community, contributing to the preservation and propagation of Islamic heritage. Despite its cohesive foundation, there were divergent approaches among Shah Waliullah's successors. Shah Ismail Shahid, for instance, led the Wahhabi movement in India, embodying a more reformist and puritanical stance. Dear friends, the enduring influence of Shah Waliullah movement persisted beyond the 18th century. Led Islamic movement and scholars in South Asia drew inspiration from Shah Waliullah's teachings, with various groups like Deobandis, Barelvis, and Ahl Hadith finding resonance with different aspects of Shah Waliullah's legacy. In this sense, the movement's multifaceted impact on religious, educational, and political spheres indelibly shaped the course of Islamic thought and practice in India and beyond. In the 18th century, the Mughal Empire faced a multitude of challenges that severely impacted its ability and prosperity. These challenges ranged from the internal strife to external invasion. Political disintegration, weak and ineffective rulers led to internal power struggles and a lack of centralized authority, and it weakened the empire's ability to address the external threat and internal conflicts. Economically, the Mughal Empire suffered from heavy taxations, corruption, and a decline in traditional revenue sources, it led to the financial distress that hindered its military and administrative strength. Regions within the empire began asserting greater autonomy, leading to the emergence of the independent states that challenged the central authority. Military threats from the Marathas and Sikhs further diminished the empire's control with both groups posing significant challenges to the Mughal authority. The invasion of Nadir Shah in 1739 was particularly catastrophic, resulting in the sack of Delhi, looting of wealth, and widespread destruction that weakened the empire materially and shattered the morale of its elite. Administratively, and once efficient Mughal system became corrupt and inefficient, plagued by bureaucratic malpractices and misuse of power. External threats from European colonial powers, particularly the British and French, further eroded the empire's strength, challenging its trade monopoly and economic stability. Social and religious tension within the empire added to its instability, with communal conflicts between Hindus and Muslims exacerbating the situation. These challenges Shah Waliullah, through his extensive correspondence, advocated for a political stability and governance based on the Islamic principles. His letters emphasized justice, equity, and welfare of subjects, urging Muslim leaders to address the administrative shortcomings and unite against external threats. Shah Waliullah's engagement with the political issues was pragmatic, offering strategic recommendations to counter threats and reinforce the foundation of a just and resilient administration. Shah Waliullah's letters exhibited a keen awareness of external threats faced by the Muslim world during his time. Whether it was the incursion by second Marathas forces or the ominous invasion of Nadir Shah, he urged Muslim leaders to unite in the face of adversity. His writings often contained strategic recommendations on how to counter these external threats, ranging from military strategies to diplomatic solutions. In the intricate landscape of Islamic jurisprudence, Shah Waliullah's evolution of thought on ikhtilaf, ijtihad, and taqlid reflects a profound intellectual journey shaped by the early influences, exposure to diverse schools of thoughts, and a commitment to unity and adaptability. Born into a family steeped in the Hanafi tradition, Shah Waliullah's education and upbringing initially aligned with this school of thought. However, his studies in Mecca exposed him to the Shafi school, laying the groundwork for his inclusive approach to jurisprudence. According to the existence of ikhtilaf or legal differences, Shah Waliullah embraced the diversity of opinions within the Islamic jurisprudence. His evolving perspective moved beyond the rigid adherence to a single school of thought, advocating for a dynamic approach that synthesized various legal traditions. Balancing his family's Hanafi background with exposure to Shafi's principle, Shah Waliullah integrated diverse perspectives into the understanding of Islamic law. This integration allowed for a comprehensive approach that transcends sectarian boundaries, emphasizing unity amidst diversity. Shah Waliullah's nuanced view on taqlid, or adherence to precedent, emphasized informed adherence rather than blind conformity. While recognizing the importance of established legal opinions, he advocated for a balanced approach that accommodated new insights and shaping circumstances. In upholding the principle of ijtihad, or independent reasoning, Shah Waliullah emphasized that the role of qualified scholars in adapting Islamic jurisprudence to the contemporary context. His pragmatic approach sought a synthesis between tradition and adaptation, fostering unity while accommodating diversity in legal thought. Shah Waliullah's intellectual legacy extends beyond jurisprudence, encompassing theology, mysticism, and social reform. His revival of hadith studies and advocacy for social and moral reconstruction within the Muslim community left an indelible mark on Islamic scholarship. Influence of Shah Waliullah's teaching permeates religious movement in South Asia and beyond. From the Deobandis' emphasis on traditional education to the Ahl Hadith commitment to authentic hadith scholarship, his ideas continue to shape religious discourses and educational institutions. Across the Indian subcontinent and beyond, Shah Waliullah's teachings resonate with scholars and communities facing contemporary challenges. His timeless wisdom offers a guide for navigating the complexities of the modern world, emphasizing unity, adaptability, and authentic scholarship. In the end, Shah Waliullah's legacy endures as a beacon of wisdom in Islamic intellectual history. His profound insights and holistic approach continue to inspire scholars, guide spiritual seekers, and provide a source of guidance for addressing the challenges of today and tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and reflection. So don't forget to subscribe for more historical insights and analysis.